We are called to serve humanity, endowed with the art and science of daring.
Good day, everyone. It's Nightingale Care with Nurse Allison. Today is 14th November, the World Diabetic Day. Over 425 million people globally are living with diabetes. What is diabetes? Diabetes is excess glucose or sugar in the body. Now, what are the things that cause diabetes? The cause of diabetes is unknown, but there are predisposing factors. One of the predisposing factors is positive family history of diabetes. That is, if one's parents, either the mother or the father, is positive to diabetes, the children can have diabetes. Another factor that can predispose one to diabetes is a disease process to the pancreas. That is the organ that regulates the sugar level in the body. Another one is eating junk food, that is eating unhealthily. You just get any food and eat anyhow you like. It can predispose one to diabetes. Now, what are the things that you should do to prevent any complication from diabetes? It is very important to detect diabetes early. Early detection is almost a cure for diabetes. A one-point check is what is needed to diagnose diabetes. Now, there are three types of diabetes. We have the type 1, which is otherwise called the juvenile diabetes. This one occurs in children, especially those children that eat anyhow. The type 2 diabetes are the ones that occur in elderly people and is more of hereditary type of diabetes. The type 3, which is gestational diabetes, is the type that occurs when a woman is pregnant. Sugar is found in the blood of this person. Now, what are the complications that can occur if one has diabetes? One, it can damage our kidney, it can cause nerve damage, it can cause cardiac arrest, stroke, sudden collapse. So we say that it is very important for us to test and to know if there is excess sugar in our system or the sugar in there is normal. Join me today as we work against diabetes. Follow me on Instagram, Nightingale Care, on Facebook, Nightingale Care with Nurse Allison. Thank you.
Innovative and initiative, and for honor